everybody, this is Chris Rocha. Thanks for coming to my TOONLY review video. Okay guys, so in this TOONLY review video I'm going to talk a little bit more about the software, how it works, the membership options, and also the price and structure. And I'm going to give you also a quick tour of the TOONLY dashboard so you can take a look and see what it looks like. Have a feel for it. Okay, so as you know, TOONLY is a video animation software, and with this software you can create beautiful and fun videos that are gonna grab the attention of your customers or your students, whoever you are making the videos for. The only thing that I want you guys to keep in mind is TOONLY is not a difficult software to use. It's actually easy, but of course for everything that is new you're going to have a little bit of a learning curve, right? So don't expect that if you buy this video today that in the same day you're gonna make beautiful perfect videos. It's gonna take a little bit of a time for you to get used to the software, how it works, what you need to do to make the characters move, and the transition scenes and this and that. So because not all animation videos are good videos, right? You of course you're grabbing the attention of the person that is watching, but of course a well done video with a lot of scenes and a lot of transitions and a lot of objects moving and people doing stuff and talking, that's what really grabs the attention of people and make them understand and want to watch more. And so that's not going to be achieved immediately. You're going to need a little bit of time to get used to it, but you get there. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the pricing, right? That's something that is always important for us to know. How much does it cost? So you can choose a monthly plan that is $39 a month for the standard membership, or $69 a month for the enterprise. Or if you prefer, you can pay the annual membership, and you see here you get a 49% off if you do it that way. So look at how much it changes. So from $39 is going to come to $20 and $40. So it really is worth it. If you can afford it, it is worth it to pay the annual membership instead of monthly. You save so much more money, right? Okay, so what do you get with each one of them? So with the standard, that's actually what I have today. You have 30 characters, 82 if it's the enterprise. So you're gonna see, of course, that the enterprise offers many more options than what the standard offers you. So I would say that if you're planning on using TOONLY to create videos to sell to someone, or on Fiverr, or in your own agency, or whatever it is, I would suggest that you purchase the enterprise, because it gives you many more options of what to do, and you can use more your creativity with everything that is offered on an enterprise. If you're just making videos for yourself, you might just stick with the standard. Of course, it's up to you, but this is what I'm using now. I'm happy with it. I don't use it that often because my videos are a lot of show and tell, so it is easier for me to just use the video recording software. But I do use TOONLY and I'm happy with it. But the standard is enough for me for my needs. So just purchase what fits your needs, right? One thing that I need to say that I'm really happy. There are two things that I really like about TOONLY. Three things actually. So I like the software. I like the support that they offer, and I can tell you that I have really good experience with that. I remember when I purchased the software, I had an immediate trouble with the purchase, because it was absolutely my fault. When I was typing the email address, I Actually, I typed wrong. Toonly website. I came right here to support, and I sent them an email, and they really replied to me in 5 minutes, and sent me what I needed, knew exactly what happened, and fixed the problem. So I have to say that I was very surprised with the speed of that they got back to me and fixed the issue. Another thing that I really like about Toonly is the Facebook group. So it is a closed Facebook group. What I like about it is, so imagine a huge group of people working on the same software, creating very, very cute, fun videos, right? It's interesting to see what each person is working on. The members share their videos, ask for feedback, and people are very very nice about it, and they give tips to the new ones. There are people that are pro already, right? While others are just starting. So it's a good mix of people, and it's good to see what it's possible with Toonly when you see someone that is already a professional, really know the software, the ins and outs of the software, and make beautiful, fun, engaging videos with Toonly. So that's cool. So let me show you a little bit of what it looks like inside of the Toonly dashboard. Okay, so here we are. So if you sign in, this is my standard plan, and let's go around here. So this is the main page you're gonna see here. So they offer here, if I want to do upgrade to enterprise. I don't need that right now, maybe in the future. And it tells you here what more you're gonna be getting if I go for it. The Toonly Elite Masterclass, I did not take this yet, but I heard that is really, really good. So I heard the feedback from others. They're in a Facebook group. They're very, very happy with the classes, and really say that how much they learn, how much they improve their skills on Toonly, because they were able to actually do side by side with this person, like that is someone that is an expert on Toonly, giving step by step what you need to do to create the most amazing videos you can. So that's a great option too. And they also talk about Doodly. Doodly is the same family of Toonly, so they talk a little bit about Doodly here too. All right, so let's just go here. So if you're gonna create a new video, this is where you're gonna go. You just click on it, and let me just say here, video example. I just want to show you inside. I think it's important to see inside of like what you're buying. We don't always have that opportunity, right? I want to give that opportunity to you guys. Okay, so you can go here. You have all the options that what you're going to be working with. So you have already some scenes that are pre-made. Let's go here, and it is a drag and drop software. Okay, so you have here police. So let me just click on play here and see what happens. Okay, all right, so this would be one of the examples. And what you can do is you can extend things. Let's go here so you see what I'm talking about. All right, so they're going to stay around, and you can make them talk and this and that. Okay, here you have different backgrounds that you can work with. Let me take this cop from here. So if you want to take someone out, you just put on trash. So let's go here with this other one here. Okay. By the way, the software is installed in your laptop or your PC or whatever it is. It's also compatible with Mac, but you still need an internet connection, just so you know. Okay, so here is like a office, maybe a meeting room or something like that. Analytics room. Okay, And then you can add a character. So I have the standard, like I said, the standard plan, but I still have many options here of people that I can use, right? The characters. So let me just move him down. I can make him a little taller, right? And I also can add objects. So to add objects, I'm gonna do the same thing. I can just drag and drop. Right, let me put here in his hand. And let me put like he's wearing a glove right here. Okay. And I can add text, I can add audio. So let's try something here. See if you can hear. All right, so we have several songs here, and in each one of this, so look at this, the objects, you can actually upload new objects, or if there's something specific that you want to add, you can just upload here. The same thing with audio. If you're not happy, if you want something a different sound than what they offer, you can just upload a new sound here. So it's cool. All right, so I just want to give you a quick tour of Toonly dashboard. I hope you enjoyed this review. And if you decide to purchase, I have a link right below this video in the description. I'm gonna have a link for Toonly and also for the masterclass, so you can take a look around, see what you think, and if you decide that it's for you, just make the purchase. I want to thank you again for coming to my channel, for watching this video, and stay safe, stay healthy, be good. Okay guys, I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye.